Welcome to the Voice of UK News Updates.
To my Kashmiri brethren, I would say that inshallah, you will also get free from the clutches of the brutal occupation forces as we got our freedom 76 years ago through your rightful cause of self-determination and indigenous freedom struggle. No evil design can withstand the determination of the Kashmiri people. Despite the communication blackouts, blatant use of the bayonets, and turning illegally Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir into the largest prison of the world, it is for the conscience of the international community to realize that Indian excesses in Kashmir have gone unaddressed and right to freedom and self-determination is being denied to all Kashmiris. I reiterate the assurance and full backing of your brothers in arms and the complete Pakistani nation.